Strap in as we kickstart this journey with the seventh spot, the Harley-Davidson Fatboy. A celebrated hero in the world of V-twin softail cruisers, the 2023 Fatboy brings a newly refined profile to the fore. In a delightful marriage of form and function, the 2023 Fatboy is sleeker, lighter, and undeniably more potent than its predecessors. Its engine, a monstrous Milwaukee R18, delivers a thrilling rush of torque at the slightest twist of the throttle. Packed with power, this beast churns out a maximum of 65 horsepower and runs at a displacement of 1,868 cc. Taking a cue from its namesake, the Fatboy flaunts solid cast disc wheels, a characteristic trait of this cruiser lineage. And just when you think the Fatboy couldn't get more impressive, the 2023 model sports gleaming chrome finishes, reaffirming its legendary status with an added touch of modern luxury. The Harley-Davidson Fatboy, weighing in at a hefty 317 kilograms, stands tall with a fuel tank capacity of 18.9 liters and a mileage of 18.1 kilometers per liter. Comfort is also given priority, with a seat height of 675 millimeters ensuring a smooth, enjoyable ride. Yes, the 2023 Fatboy continues to embody the heritage and iconic persona that the Harley-Davidson brand is known for. However, with a sophisticated upgrade like this, one has to wonder, is the Fatboy not just living up to its legend, but transcending it? Claiming the sixth spot, we present the eagerly awaited Indian Scout Rogue. Indian has revved up the performance with this powerhouse, packing in a beefy 1,133 cc V-twin engine that produces a heart-stopping 100 horsepower. But don't be deceived by its power. It's also a head-turner, flaunting a sleek, blacked-out style complemented by mini ape hangers and a quarter fairing. The Scout Rogue showcases a 19-inch front wheel, adding to its overall athletic appeal while offering the rider an aggressive yet comfortable riding stance. This motorcycle has an impressive torque output of 72 lb-ft, ensuring you lack nothing on the open road. In terms of comfort, the Scout Rogue scores high. Its low seat height and lightweight chassis contribute to its maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating through city traffic as well as handling extended highway tours. The Indian Scout Rogue is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of daring and individuality. It's a beautiful beast, built for those who live life on the edge. With its striking performance and standout design, the Scout Rogue forces you to ponder, could this be the ultimate blend of power and style you've been waiting for? Speeding into the fifth spot, we're met by the BMW R18, a no-frills cruiser that proudly sports a sturdy frame and breathes pure BMW authenticity. Its heart is a sizable 1,802 cc two-cylinder boxer engine, capable of delivering an impressive 91 horsepower and a staggering 116 pound-feet of torque at the crank. This motorcycle isn't just about raw power, it offers an unrivaled, streamlined riding experience. Its minimalist approach and faithful adherence to the traditional cruiser segment are unmistakable, emphasizing BMW's successful entry into this classic genre. Now, with its impressive engine specs, comfortable ergonomics, and authentic design, one might wonder, how does it stack up against its competition in terms of on-road performance and rider comfort? Making a statement at number 4, we present the Honda Rebel 1100. This motorcycle redefines standards with its pioneering 6-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, a feature exclusive to Honda. Engineered for versatility, the Rebel 1100 smoothly handles tranquil Sunday rides, vibrant backroad adventures, and extended highway journeys without breaking a sweat. This cruiser is not just about flexibility, it also introduces advanced technologies, such as Honda's selectable torque control and throttle-by-wire system, bridging the gap between vintage charm and futuristic innovation. The question that springs to mind then, could the mix of modern tech and classic cruiser style create a new motorcycling genre? Cruising into the third spot is the Royal Enfield Meteor 650, a perfect harmony of classic design and contemporary engineering. Powered by a potent 648cc engine that sits at the heart of its unique chassis, the Meteor 650 excels in both performance and maneuverability. The bike presents an irresistible proposition for middleweight cruiser enthusiasts, especially considering its highly competitive price point of just £6,800. So here's a thought. Could this blend of performance, design, and affordability be the secret recipe for a perfect cruiser? Asserting its presence in the second spot, we have the Indian Chief Bobber, a masterwork of design and performance. Blending the nostalgic charm of bobber design with state-of-the-art performance, this bike is a testament to Indians' dedication to superior craftsmanship and innovation. Underneath its striking exterior, the Chief Bobber roars to life with a robust V-twin engine. Delivering potent power and a remarkably smooth ride, it is crafted for those who value both aesthetics and performance. Its low-slung riding position, a distinct characteristic of the classic bobber style, ensures optimal comfort and control, embodying the spirit of the low and slow cruiser lifestyle. The Chief Bobber isn't just about style and performance, it also boasts impressive specifications, with a seat height of 26 inches and a weight of 670 pounds, giving it a solid, grounded presence on the road. With a 3.5-gallon fuel tank, this bike is ready for extended adventures, making it a reliable companion for riders who seek the thrill of exploration. Its aesthetic appeal is amplified with a range of color options, including black titanium smoke and white smoke, ensuring it caters to diverse style preferences. With powder-coated exhaust pipes, handlebars, gloss black cylinder heads, and tubular frames, its attention to detail is indeed commendable. Ponder on this. What would it feel like to rule the road astride this remarkable blend of past and present, where timeless design meets unparalleled performance? Securing the coveted #1 spot, we present the Harley-Davidson Sportster S, the apex of innovation and design in the cruiser segment. This recent entrant into the renowned Sportster line revolutionizes what we've come to expect with its radical, aggressive design, a refreshing contrast from the customary Sportster aesthetics. But don't be misled by its extraordinary looks. This machine is as potent as it is appealing. At its heart is a 1,252cc Revolution Max V-twin engine, engineered to deliver an exhilarating 121 horsepower. The Sportster S doesn't just merely make an appearance, it asserts its dominance. This pinnacle of power and performance is framed by a lightweight chassis and is furnished with premium suspension components, ensuring optimal handling and control. It weighs in at a respectable 502 pounds, providing a balanced and steady ride. The Sportster S also comes with Harley-Davidson's refined technology package, including a 4.0-inch round TFT display and multiple ride modes. This intelligent system allows the rider to tailor the motorcycle's performance characteristics to suit their unique riding style. To its allure, it offers 3 distinct color options: vivid black, stone-washed white pearl, and midnight crimson. Each variant resonates with the same bold spirit that is synonymous with the Sportster S. Let's muse on this. How might it feel to command the streets with such a fusion of commanding performance and avant-garde design? With the Sportster S, you're not just riding a motorcycle, you're making a statement. As we throttle down on this electrifying journey through the 7 most sought-after cruiser motorcycles for 2023, we're certain the ride was as adrenaline-fueled as we found it. If your heart is still racing, make sure to fuel this video with a like and gear shift that subscribe button for more high-speed adventures through the dynamic realm of motorcycling. Strap in and rev high. 2023 is gearing up to be one unforgettable ride.